How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another daily video here from our shop at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Today's video is going to be for you Tundra owners and Tundra lovers. We're going to start off with this Tundra TRD Pro. This is a 2019 model that's getting a shim and shackle lift, and we're going to do a body mount chop to clear some 35-inch tires on here. I remember back at the end of 2006 when I took delivery of one of the very first 2007 model Tundras. 2007 was the very first year that they released the second generation Tundra. I wanted to fit 35s on it with aggressive wheels, and everybody said it wasn't possible. We discovered that all it really took was a few inches of lift and a body mount chop to fully clear it. And just like that, we've been doing this setup for over a decade now. This 2019 Tundra TRD Pro comes with the factory Fox suspension. Comparing this model to the non-Pro models, this vehicle is about 2 inches higher in the front. In order to clear a 35-inch tire, we usually recommend a 3-inch lift. So in order for us to achieve that, we're going to give this vehicle a 1-inch lift all around. That'll be an equivalent 3-inch lift to non-Pro models. In order to do so, we're going to install a 1-inch front lift shim, and the rear, we're going to throw on a lift shackle to get that extra inch. And in order to clear the 35s, like we mentioned earlier, we have to do a body mount chop. For the wheels and tires on this setup, we're going with the Method MR314s. They come in a 17 by 8.5 zero offset, and we're wrapping it up in a Toyo Open Country RT 35 12.5 17. In this shot right here, you can see the front lift shim installed on top of the top hat. And right here, you can see the finished body mount chop. And this is the modified front fender liner. And here's another closer look of the body mount chop that we performed on the passenger side of the vehicle. Our body mount chop tech used to work at a facility that built armored trucks, so his work is top notch. We're very fortunate to have people travel from afar from different states and such just to get the body mount chop done by us because of it. We greatly appreciate the loyalty, love, and support from everybody across the United States and around the world. Here you can see the lift shackle already installed. 88 Rotors Off-Road is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to give us a call anytime during regular business hours or shoot us an email over to sales@88rotors.com. If you need to find our contact information, please click on the description below. Here's a question for you guys. Do you guys own a Tundra TRD Pro? What is your favorite color? Whether you own one or not, let us know what your favorite color is. Drop a comment down below and let us know. If you guys are interested in one of our 88 Rotors Off-Road t-shirts, we're offering free shipping on them right now on our website. Go to 88rotorsoffroad.com to make your purchase. All purchases made this week will also include 2 license plate frames and a sticker at no extra charge. In my opinion, I think 35-inch tires are the most proportional on the Toyota Tundra. What do you guys think? Would you guys run anything smaller than this, or do you guys prefer something even larger than this? Drop a comment down below and let us know. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up for us. Give us that like, it makes a big difference for our video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Very simple. 1-inch lift on the Tundra TRD Pro with 35-inch tires, and it makes all the difference. And this is our very own Chris's 2019 Tundra TRD Pro in Voodoo Blue. He's currently sitting on a king setup for about 3.5 inches of lift. If you want to see the full video of this one, we posted it about a month ago. There it is, the best way to fit 35-inch tires on a Tundra TRD Pro while retaining the factory Fox suspension, or the factory Bilstein suspension on the earlier model TRD Pros. If you guys like what you see here on YouTube, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like what we post on Instagram as well. Check us out at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We post on there daily throughout the day on our stories and our feed. That's not it. We're gonna show you a few other different Tundras that we've been working on also. This one's a 4x4 TRD Sport that we recently also did a body mount chop on to clear 35's. This one's on a 3-inch lift with some Method MR312s. They're in an 18x9 positive 18 offset, wrapped up in a 35 12.5 18 tire. Here's another 2019 Tundra TRD Pro in Voodoo Blue. It's a very popular color this year. This one's also doing the 1-inch shim, lift shackle, body mount chop, and 35-inch tires. If you want to see the full video of this Tundra, please check our channel. We posted this full video and published it about a week and a half ago. And last but not least, we're gonna have this Tundra 4x4 TRD Sport that we installed an Icon Stage 5 setup with billet upper control arms. We also did the body mount chop on this one to clear the 35-inch tires, Method MR312s for the wheels, and some Toyo Open Country RTs for the tires. And as this video comes to an end, we'd like to thank you guys for tuning in today and checking us out. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Turn on that notification bell also, that way you get alerted every single time we post a new daily video. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below. If you have any future video content ideas, leave them down there as well. This channel is for you guys, so we'll definitely consider it and make a video for you guys. We hope to see you again tomorrow, so when you get that alert, make sure to check us out. Until then, take care guys.